Sometimes life's a little salty. During this holiday, I know I am. Let's channel that energy into popcorn perfection. Over medium-high heat, add your oil and 4 kernels to a pot. Once those kernels pop, your oil is hot and ready for the rest of your Dell Cove spices better off single popcorn kernels. Proof that being single really does pop off. Transfer to a bowl and drizzle some melted butter over that fresh popcorn and grab your Dell Cove Spices salted caramel seasoning. Now it's time to sprinkle it on thick, just like your best friend handing out breakup advice. Stir it all together and finish with a nice dose of flaky sea salt. This one goes out to those people who flake on plans this February 14th. I see you. I understand you. And that's it. Flaky sea salt, much like your ex, might flake away. But this popcorn, solid, satisfying, salty AF. It's the kind of snack you put in the center of the table, pass around to your favorite people, and realize sometimes the best dates don't need a +1. For more recipes, gourmet popcorn seasonings, kernels, and more, head to DellCoveSpices.com. Because unlike your ex, we won't ghost you.